the ASUS TUF Gaming F15, equipped with an 11th Gen Intel Core i5-11400H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 250 graphics. Is a gaming laptop known for its sleek and durable design. The laptop is available in two color options, Fortress Gray and Bonfire Black. Key features of the ASUS TUF Gaming F15 body: dual design options. The laptop comes in a Fortress Gray, which is a stealthy and sleek design, and Bonfire Black accented with a crimson stripe for a more eye-catching look. Durability. The TUF Gaming F15 is designed with military-grade durability in mind, making it a robust and reliable portable device. Honeycomb. Grip. A subtle honeycomb pattern is present on the bottom of the chassis, providing enhanced grip and also incorporating strategic vents for cooling. Brushed metal finish. The palm rest features a sleek and clean brushed metal finish, complementing the overall aesthetic. Dimensions and weight. The laptop has dimensions of 35.9 by 25.6 by 2.47 centimeters, 14.13 inches, 10.08 inches by 0.97 inches approximately, 0.98 inches, and weighs 2.3 kilograms or 5.07 pounds. Display. It features a 15.6 inch FHD 1920 by 1080 anti-glare display, the 144 Hz refresh rate. Connectivity. It comes with various I/O ports, including a 3.5mm combo audio jack, HDMI 2.1, TMDS, and USB ports. Backlit keyboard. The laptop has a backlit chiclet keyboard with one zone RGB lighting. Battery. It is powered by a 48 watt-hour battery, offering up to 14.7 hours of video playback. Webcam. A 720p HD webcam with an array microphone is included. Audio. The laptop utilizes DTS software and AI noise canceling technology for enhanced audio quality. The ASUS TUF Gaming F15 offers a combination of performance, durability, and a sleek design, making it a suitable choice for gamers and other users seeking a reliable, portable laptop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, right. I'll just...